That's the problem. You hear it? Just re-brazing. Want me to get
Yeah, the Freon has a leak in it. It has a.
you hear it?
So it's like the tube has a leak or something?
Yeah. Well, in here, yeah. We need to rebraze this here.
Okay.
There's a. Because when he installed the compressor, the other gentleman, these have to be welded out, and
Right.
then you gotta put the new one in. But there's leaking here, like here.
So it wasn't welded back in properly?
Yeah, it had a little, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, so he charged it, and there was a leak in it, so he lost his charge, basically. So it's never gonna cope like that. So we're just gonna re-weld that. And then we're gonna re-weld it, and then we'll put some more Freon in there.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll be back.
Give it a shot.
We're gonna
Oh, you gotta go get something or whatever?
tools, yeah.
Okay.
It takes a lot of tools to do it.
Alright, cool. Okay. No, dude. Go on to daddy, okay? Okay, so what he says is that when the compressor was replaced, that this tube, which is for the Freon, was not properly re-welded correctly, and that caused the Freon to all leak out, and therefore there's no Freon. So, my understanding is that this should still be covered because the tubing is the problem, and the tubing is covered under the 5-year warranty as well as the compressor, and it was the replacing of the compressor that caused the tubing to leak because of improper re-welding after the compressor was replaced. So, there we have it. That's the current status as of now. They went to go get more tools, and they'll be back. And I will resume recording when they return.
This is like, come on.
Huh?
It doesn't have a card original.
Oh, you lost it. Awesome.
Huh?
Drink some water. Can we get some water, please?
Like a brush water or?
Just from the sink.
Okay, so we can.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough. Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Just get this. Yeah, so. Well, actually, that should be enough.
Oh, no, he said, no, it's good.
That should be enough. That should be enough.
That should-
That's just one brace. It's just one brace that we're doing, actually. Okay, that should be good.
Let me see the charge.
Give me a mirror.
$5 ounces.
Huh?
The mirror?
Another mirror. There's a mirror.
What is it? 'Cause I remember you asked me for it last time and you didn't find it. I usually use my phone.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oops. Sorry. Oh yeah. Wow. Huge.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
I might be able to get it in there.
Without taking it out?
Yeah, no, I don't have to take it out. I'll just
Yeah.
go with the same solder. Oh yeah, yep,
Yeah, right there.
yeah.
Can I see? Where, can you point out exactly where
That's,
the
you
problem
won't
is?
put, it's behind it, it's right here.
Okay.
It's behind it, sure. Just being recorded for.
For quality assurance and training purposes.
Well,
And because A&E's trying to charge me $500 for that compressor, which was replaced under warranty. And they're saying that it's not under warranty. So I've got tickets open with GE and you guys and everybody trying to figure out the warranty situation. And so
okay.
I'm recording.
I'll be right back.
Yep, no problem.
Some new development happened.
Okay.
I spoke to my manager regarding the recording, and they're saying that something about some legal issues we cannot be recorded.
Some what?
Something about legally we cannot be recorded. So my manager just basically wants us to basically just leave. We have to
Okay.
leave
What if I stop recording?
because we already been recorded. We have to leave.
What if I delete the recording?
That's what the manager said. So this is coming from the manager. I'm just kind of echoing what the manager said.
Okay. Can I have manager's name and number?
I can give you a number before you. Huh?
See where Austin does it back.
We'll grab it.
That's your tool bag? That's your tool bag?
Go back.
Yeah. I didn't grab it yet. Or did
Okay, sir, you call this 1-800 number. Should be able to refer you to a working manager for this area.
Dana's the manager?
The name of the manager, huh? That covers this area. Huh? You're one.
That's not the manager though. That they're just going to tell me who the manager is, or put me in contact with the manager somehow, or.
This is the manager over this area.
Oh, okay,
Ah.
okay.
Yeah. So this is the 1-800 number you want to contact.
All right.
Okay, so you have a wonderful day.
Thanks. You too.